Makeup that adapts to you sounds amazing, especially when a lipstick promises to customize its shade to your lips' chemistry. Today we're reviewing Coellyo pH adjusting lipstick, but is it real and worth your money or just clever marketing? Let's find out. So Coellyo sells a clear looking pH adjusting lipstick that supposedly reacts with the pH on your lips to produce a unique tint just for you, from coral pink to berry rose, and claims long wear, hydration, and a universal shade in one too. It's marketed with promises of vegan, cruelty-free ingredients like hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. Here's why some people do like pH adjusting lip products. The concept of pH activated dyes isn't totally fake. Some formulas use special leuco dyes that shift color when exposed to your lips' acidity, creating a slightly different hue for each person. These kinds of tints often feel more like a balmy, hydrating lipstick, which can be comfortable and flattering if you want a natural your lips but better look. But let's keep it real. Scientific skepticism about custom pH colors. Many beauty fans and makeup experts point out that most pH adjusting products simply react to basic chemistry differences, not true unique personal pigmentation, so many brands end up looking similar on different people. Independent customer feedback on Coellyo specifically is extremely limited, and the official site's reviews are internal, not verified by an external platform. Reddit threads about pH lip products often share that many of these custom shades end up quite similar and pink-based rather than truly unique. Always be cautious. Makeup products sold only through a brand's own site without wider presence on reputable retailers like Sephora or Ulta can be riskier for authenticity and quality control. So is Coellyo's pH adjusting lipstick real or fake? It's a real style of product. pH reactive color changing lipsticks do exist and can give you a flattering tint, but its custom shade unique to your body chemistry claim is mostly marketing hype. The lipstick likely does change shade when applied, but that's common in many similar products, and true custom color matching isn't scientifically proven to be dramatic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.